Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the cutest and most charming planters you can find out there. The DIYOMR Cute Animal Ceramics Planter, specifically designed in the shape of an adorable cow. This isn't just any ordinary planter. It's the best cow flower pot available in the market right now. Let's start with the basics. This ceramic planter is perfect for your favorite succulents, cacti, or small plants. It's crafted from smooth, glossy ceramics and features a drainage hole at the bottom, ensuring your plants stay healthy by allowing excess water to escape easily. The DIYOMR cow planter isn't just practical, it's also a delightful addition to any space. Whether you place it in your office, living room, balcony, or even dining table, its cute design adds a touch of whimsy and charm. Measuring 3.1 by 2.8 by 3.0 inches, with a top opening of 1.8 inches, it's perfectly sized for small plants. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this planter is functional. It promotes air purification, stress relief, and enhances the overall ambiance of any room. Plus, it makes for a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves gardening or enjoys unique home decor items. If you're wondering why you should choose this cow planter over others, here are a few reasons. Firstly, it's made from high-quality ceramics that ensure durability. Secondly, it's designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Lastly, it's received great reviews from customers, with an average rating of 4.4 stars out of 5. To wrap it up, the DIYOMR Cute Animal Ceramics Planter, specifically the cow design we've discussed today, stands out as a top choice for anyone looking to add a bit of whimsical charm to their plant collection. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, this planter ticks all the boxes. If you're interested in checking it out, we'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.